Behind me is a beast of a Corvette. This is as badass as it gets. It's a factory L71 car, so 427, 435 horse. It's got triple doubles on top still, but it's bored and stroked. It's got aluminum heads, a Tremec 5-speed, a bunch of upgraded suspension. This is a very tastefully resto-modded car in the original color combination. We'll take a deep dive, get you all the way around this. We're gonna fire it up, let you hear those 3-inch side pipes, and we're gonna go for a drive today, roll through the gears, pour on some power, have a little bit of fun. You can already tell this thing is gorgeous. It has a concourse level finish on it. This was restored in 2013, back to the original color combination inside and out. It's Marina Blue over a white interior. It's got the white 427 Stinger looking like $1 million. All the chrome is new, the glass, the trim, nothing was left untouched. A few years later, this thing still looks like $1 million. Let me pull this hood release and we'll show you what we got up underneath there. Come on. L71 427. It's the original numbers matching block. Sticker says 435 horse. It's more like 550. This is board stroke to 502 cubic inches. It's got World of Racing's aluminum heads on it. It's got the correct winner's aluminum intake manifold, all date correct carburetors. Tons of the correct high dollar parts are still with us. As you can see, we've got a AC compressor over there from Vintage Air. We've got a dual master with power disc brakes at all 4 corners. We got power steering, long tube headers. The list goes on, and in a really nice, clean, factory appearing package. Gorgeous set of wheel and tire. These are the Starburst wheels wrapped in a beautiful red line tire. The shaved sidewall, these are from Diamondback. We've got the factory side pipe covers on here, but we actually have a 3-inch chambered stainless steel pipe running through there. This thing shakes the ground, shakes the building. It's really rad. Out back, we've got posi traction. We have Drag Vette's whole catalog back here. It's a 6-link independent rear suspension kit with a mono-leaf rear spring. Trim looks great, taillights look great, badging all looks fresh and new. Same story for our fuel cap. We got a little stubby antenna so you can get your car cover on here. We have the vinyl wrapped hardtop. This is the first year for it. In wonderful shape. This has been completely restored too. And underneath here we have a like new white soft top. As you look all around, the gaps are in wonderful shape. Car has no cracks, no checking in any of the paint anywhere. Let's check out the interior. Doors open very well. Inner cards look great. They look new. Seat covers look to be new. Carpet kit looks new. Our dash pad all in a wonderful shape. Gauges have a brilliant luster to them. Just 1,500 miles on the build. Nice faux wood wheel. Analog clock in the middle with an AM and FM radio below that. AC controls and heat integrated right in the factory location, so dig that. We've got our 5-speed shifter with the right shift pattern plate down there. We've got a nice handbrake. This is a nice addition they made in '67. And out back, got our bit of storage under here, all clean carpet kit. You get a glimpse of our soft top. This thing is a beast. This is definitely the car to wake your neighbors up. Wow. We got the AC blowing cold. Power brakes feel good. Stop this car with no effort at all. Tremec gearbox nice and tight, got a short throw shifter on it. And these side pipes, man. I've driven. If you can't tell from this short video, this is an absolute beast. When that second and third carb start to dump a little fuel in there, this thing takes off like a rocket ship. Throws you in your seat so good. That 5-speed feels great. The brakes are good. We had the air blowing cold the whole time. If you want to know more about this, you can call us up. It's 248-714-2110. Email us, inquiry@lafontaineClassicCars.com. If you're new around here watching this on YouTube, down in the descriptions of these videos, we put the price, we put a link to view the full listing on our website. That's where you can find 100+ pictures, everything underneath it, and a thorough breakdown of all the parts that make this baby tick. This thing's been featured in some magazines. If you want to see that, that's over there at that link too. See you guys in the next one. Thank you for tuning in. Had a lot of fun.